In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count on a Canva. If you're writing inside Canva and need to hit a specific limit for words or characters, Canva Docs has a built-in tool that makes this fast and accurate. The key is that this feature lives in Canva Docs, not in standard graphic designs like social posts or presentations. Start by opening your content in Canva Docs. If what you see looks like a traditional page of text with a simple toolbar, you're in the right place. If you're looking at a canvas full of design elements, you're likely in a different editor, and the word count option won't appear. Switch to the document version of your project so you can access the text tools you need. Once your document is open, go to the top left corner and click the File menu. This is where Canva keeps document level settings. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This opens a panel dedicated to options that affect the whole document experience. In that panel, click on Word Count. You'll now see a clear breakdown that covers exactly what most platforms ask for: the total number of words, the total number of characters with spaces, and the total number of characters without spaces. This is useful because different platforms and assignments specify limits in different ways. For example, social ads often care about characters with spaces, while essays or articles typically point to word counts. By default, the tool shows numbers for your whole document. If you only need stats for a specific portion of your text, Canva can show that too. If text is selected when you open word count, the panel reflects just that selection, making it easy to check a section like a headline, a bio, or a single paragraph without calculating anything yourself. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.